What's going on YouTube? Brandon LaChuga here. Welcome to 303 Streets. Thought I'd make a quick video on how to put custom speakers in your car. So one side is done. The other side, who is this to? Okay, sorry. One side is done, one side isn't. So I'm kind of going to give you a rundown of what to do on a Dodge Nitro at least. Oops, sorry that it's dark. Possibly trading in the Challenger here pretty soon. So we'll see. Just gonna sell it and then maybe get a Hellcat. But so here's a door panel on the passenger side. As you can see, I traced out my little tweeter speaker that's gonna go in there. So I'll show you what this side looks like. Driver's side has been done. And that's what it looks like. So I just put it there. It was originally gonna go here, but it couldn't. And I'll show you why here in a minute. Sorry, I'm gonna have to set you down. Sorry, it's also windy out today. And all right, get this door off. There we go. So I want to be very careful. Okay, so here we go. So the reason why I couldn't put the speaker right here was because of that. So that was going to be right there, so it couldn't go there. So I just decided, that looks fine to me. I'm probably going to redo the entire door panel. This is going to be done in suede and stuff. So I'll probably just redo the entire door panel, to be honest. Anyways, here's the speaker. Here's how it's set up. Next, I have the bracket right there, holding it down. There's a speaker. I drilled a hole out for it. The wires go back down to this speaker. You need a star bit to get these out, which luckily I have right here on hand. Too big. You'll need a few star bits, a flathead, basic tools to get the door off. Two different size star bits, as you can see. There's one. Ooh, definitely don't want that wire stretching out. And then I might, let me loosen this one. I'm just gonna loosen that one up. I'll probably remove the top one. So I tapped into the wires that are in this current speaker in my door panel. This can work on any of the doors. I'm gonna have to take it out. 1 second. Take it all the way out, and I can show you the wire setup, how it's set up. So, anyways, positive, as you can see, is the red wire going to the yellow. Purple is the ground. Right here. Here's a close look. So that's how it works. I cut the wires, stripped them, and then crimped them just like that. Plugged in the speaker. I just want that before I put it back together. Make sure it works. So I'll just set this right here actually for a quick second so I can put it back together. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Once you get the wire, this is the wire setup essentially. So you're just gonna wanna, get the wires, your positive, your negative, cut these, put the black to the gray and purple, your positive, the red, to your yellow and gray. Crimp them again, or not crimp them, tap into the wires, just like I did. And then, that's the original setup, or that's how you'll set up the wires. And then we'll go on to, I'll show you how to set up your wires, not your wires, how to place your speaker and how I drilled it out and stuff. I did not tighten the far left screw as much as I can because I just don't want it to squeeze the wires too much. So there you go. Let me just test the speaker. I want to make sure it's still working. Oh, see, this one's kind of finicky. I found this out the hard way the other day. But the little speaker's working. It's just this actual speaker, the wire setup for some reason. It's kind of weird. All right, here we go. There it goes. Yeah, the speaker, I might just replace it in general, just because this one's... There we go. Just kind of weird. I might just get a new speaker, honestly. Sorry about that. So I'll just not put that back together really fast, just so we can explain to you how to do the rest of the video. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on over here, trace out where you want your speaker. As you can see, I already did that. Right there, traced it out. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my drill. I had my drill set somewhere. Not the, oh, duh, right in front of my face. So I'm gonna take my drill out the center. It's a very terrible drill. There we go. Punch through it. After I punch through it like that, as you can see, sorry, that sun is horrible. Get out of the sun. Oh well, I'm just gonna have to get that. I know I should put it back there. Oh well. Anyways, then you'll take your jigsaw, cut it out. I'm gonna set this out of the way a little bit so I have a little bit more room to work with. Cut the hole out for the speaker. I can put the speaker in, make sure it fits. Make sure it's a nice snug fit. It needs to probably be trimmed a little bit more. Yeah, need to shave that off a little bit. As you can see, cut my hole out. Put the speaker in. There we go. Nice snug fit. That's really it. As you can see, you heard those two clips. There's a clip on the back side. It's hard to see. It's towards the top, kind of over here. There's a clip that on the speaker. There's two little clips like that. So it clips in nice and good and holds. So yeah, once you get it in, plug it in to your positive and negative wires, and then you're good to go. So that's how to add custom speakers. Even if you're switching out stock speakers, now you know how to switch out your stock ones even. So really simple, really easy to do. As you saw, if you were gonna do it on the Nitro, tear apart the door. After you tear apart the door, take off your stock speaker, cut the wires, tap into the wires, good to go. So that's how to do aftermarket speakers. Again, I hope you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching 303 Streets. Have a good day, and stay tuned for a lot more videos. The Nitro is going to get a custom build. Still working on it. New radio. Possibly more speakers. Custom seats being painted and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. This is 303 Streets. Have a good day.